In this video, we'll use Tinkercad, a web sketch, and an online converter to make this 3D printable cookie cutter. Find a sketch on the web that you like. I searched for bats because I wanted to make a Halloween cookie cutter. Once you find the sketch you want, crop it, and the most successfully converted sketches are typically black and white with crisp, clear, defined edges. There are a lot of online converters. I used this one, onlineconvert.com. Open an online converter and then find Image Converter and choose Convert to SVG. Upload the file and then click Start to convert it. Once it's converted, download it. Next, import the SVG file into Tinkercad. Click Import, upload the file, you have some settings you can change. Click Import, and it will come in as a solid 3D file. Scale it down. You can just drag it, or you can type in exact numbers in the text fields. Select it. Click on Fill Mode, Inner Line, and there's your cookie cutter.